Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video on my tool journey. Obviously, I'm buying bits and bobs here and there, um, just trying to get a kit together. But what's the most important thing? Safety. So I bought one of these non-contact voltage detector, and I thought, this was on a good price compared to others. I don't want to spend too much, but I don't want to skimp out on quality or whatever. I don't know if you all agree. Leave a comment down below, but I found this reasonable. It is 1,000 volt AC insulated, so it goes. There's all the information. Voltage detection range up to 1,000 volts, operating temperature between 10 to 50 degrees, frequency range 50 to 500 hertz, indicator, visual LED indicator, and so on, batteries and that, the other. C.K registered trademark of Carl Cameling International Limited. Doesn't say where it's made, unless you already know where it's made. Leave a comment down below again. But more than likely China, but never mind. It's all good. Everything's made in China nowadays. But yeah, here's the part number T2271A, or is that IA? I don't know. T22718, yeah, that's what it says there. Just have to have a look. Anyway, so it holds two AAA batteries, which I've got here, so we'll have a look. But I haven't got a socket to try it on. Well, so it's in the picture. So let's get it out of here and then put the batteries in and have a look at it. So that was pretty simple packaging. So construction. So you can, that's nice, and you know what? That's pretty good. So obviously it'll break if you pull it too hard, but if it's too brittle, then yeah, it would break. But yeah, let's get these batteries in. So which way would the batteries go in? I'm going to assume that way, unless it's got an indication of which way you put the batteries in. But I think I got them the right way. Screw that on. Don't lose that, just in case it gets wet. So I don't know how well it's going to pick it up, but you can see that. So obviously you got to switch it on, like I said before. You can see that. So when you put it over, it should go red. So yeah, so that's live. So it does work. I would love to demonstrate it, but our plug-in system works totally different to the 2-pin system. But because it's got an earth 3-pin, you can't put this in and detect it without having the 3rd pin in. But all in all, you'll know where it's live. But that's what that is for. So you just wave it around the socket. But this is a must-have if you frequently change your sockets or mess around with 240 volts. This is a must-have. Safety first. But like I said, I can't say much more on this. But yeah, we'll end it on that one. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share. Helps the channel grow and can bring you more content like this for the future. But I'm going to continue on my journey. Anyway, see you on the next one.